you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with my little brother,
Brandon.
And we're about to try some Japanese snacks and treats. So, let's get started. So, the other day I went to this farmer's market and I got all this stuff. And the first one we're gonna try, they have it in English here. It's called Meiji Maschio potato chip. So I don't think I pronounced that right.
It's potato chips. That's all you need to know.
So we're gonna just try them.
They smell like.
What does it smell like?
Oh my god! It smells like potatoes, like fried potatoes.
Okay, here.
What's this, huh?
These aren't bad. Oh, and then you get that aftertaste.
I thought that one tastes like fried fish. That'd be what I expected.
The aftertaste is just I really don't like it. But the first impression, like when you first eat it, tastes like a regular potato chip.
It tastes like some reject Lay's, basically.
Exactly. Okay. Now the second thing they're gonna try.
Oh my god.
Is Hello Panda. And it said biscuits with milk cream. So I guess it's like cream in the middle, as you can see in like the picture. So let's just get into it.
God damn. He's gonna rip the box open.
Okay.
You need some help there, buddy?
I can't open it here.
I got it.
No!
God.
It's really hard to open.
The hell?
Okay.
Hey, that ain't no plastic. No foil.
Alright. Smell it.
Oh my god. Let me
No! Okay.
Those things actually smell pretty good.
These are what they look like.
It's called Hello Kitty.
Hello Panda!
Tomato. Let me see. Let me try one. Try two of them.
Just take
I'll
one.
try two.
Not bad.
Actually pretty good.
No, you already took two. What are you doing at? So, you know.
Actually pretty good. You want me to keep those? No, I mean like for real.
I'm keeping all of this. I
I'll
paid
buy
for
them
it.
after you. They taste real good.
Okay.
Hey, I consider those right there.
So next we're gonna try our Paki green tea flavor.
You gotta keep me in the picture.
And it's matcha. So.
No, I don't like green tea.
Well, you're gonna try it.
I don't like tea in general.
Oh well. Got it open, so now we're gonna try it. Well, smell it first. It smells like green tea.
Oh my god, it does smell. It smells like straight tea.
He does not like tea.
No, I don't. She's making me try this.
Alright. If you don't like it, why would you take more than one?
Oh my god, it's like the worst type of tea there possibly is.
It tastes good.
The pink ones are way better.
And strawberry.
Yeah.
This is really good. I like this. Okay. Next, we're gonna try our crispy fish rolls. I'm actually kind of scared of this one.
Oh yeah, me too.
Okay, well.
I thought the first one's gonna taste like fried fish. This one is fried fish.
So, I can't open this for now.
You want me to open it?
No.
Alright, you have nails on. I don't.
They smell like fish. Smell it. Okay.
No comment. What do they taste like? Tastes like.
Just try it.
Oh my god.
Oh.
I'm not trying it over my dead body.
So
Over my
straight
dead-
fish.
Hey, don't ever. This is what they look like, okay? Don't ever buy these. Don't ever borrow.
Oh, stop. Okay.
Asian.
Okay.
Something the cat would eat.
To get our mouth like refreshed and everything, we're gonna try some high chews. I got the tropical mix because I like tropical fruit stuff. So. Okay. Smell it.
Thank God.
Okay. So what do you want? Banana, fruit, mango, or melon? Okay.
Are these chewy?
Yeah.
I might need 2 from the last one we just did.
Okay. Now, I still have the taste in my mouth.
Come on now, why can't these just be simple? Okay, so this is what they look like.
They smell really good.
No,
they look like
this.
this.
You really want to look like? I'll stay up for this. That's what they look like.
Okay. Brennan.
Not bad. Matter of fact,
They're really good.
I should go buy those.
Yeah.
It was like a 10 out of a 10.
They're good.
Those are great.
That's really good. Okay. Next, we're gonna try. I really have no clue what this says, but we're gonna open it and try it anyway.
We don't know what any of this says, except the one that's spelled in English.
Yeah.
Which is very cute.
Okay.
Want me to open it?
No, I got it.
All right, Mrs. Independent.
It just smells like chocolate.
Oh, good. We'll go from the
Take one. Brandon, just take one. Okay.
This is what they look like, umbrellas.
No, eat it. I mean, it's just chocolate and strawberry. Nothing really special about it.
Not too bad they put on a little thing.
Stick? Oh, crap. It just tastes like chocolate and strawberry.
That's it.
That's all.
Basic.
Not really special. The next thing we're gonna try is Yan Yan by Meiji. It's just vanilla cream. It's like biscuits. That's what I'm just looking at. So, that's what it looks like in the inside.
It's 2 separate components.
Yeah. So, get one.
Some thick ass sticks.
Squid black ink. That's what my stick says. What does yours say?
Mine says squirrely, your best friend, which is not my best friend.
Okay. Yeah, you dip it. Brandon, why you have to be a butthole? Put some back. Do it!
Taste test.
Put the rest of it in your mouth so you have all that cream.
You double dipping?
It's my stuff. I pay for it. So.
I bought some off you. But, they taste pretty good.
Tastes like Paki.
Yeah.
What taste?
Yeah, basically just different brand.
This one's just more interactive, so you just dip it in. And stuff.
It ain't nothing.
It's good though.
Yep.
Next thing we're gonna try is Koala March by Loti. It's like in the same packaging as Hello Panda. They're like very similar.
Just Asian.
But this one's more
Shapey, orthogony.
I guess so. And this one is strawberry flavor, so we're gonna open this up and try it.
Oh, that's actually that should taste.
How does it smell? It smells like straight strawberry. Here.
I can't do that.
We'll get one.
I will.
No, you're not.
Yes,
Just
I
get
am.
one.
I'm trying to, Shannon. Damn, Shannon, can you move your fucking...
Can you hurry? No.
I got this. Okay, I got this.
Man, get one for real.
I can't. Your finger's right there, Shannon. Oh my God, you can't expect me to get one if you point it away. I got to. I got one.
Okay. Whoa. That is really good.
Yeah, fantastic.
That is really good. I enjoy this. It's like from the Hello Panda, it's more biscuit than cream. And with this one, no, it's more cream than biscuit.
They both taste good, but this one is way more better. Yeah, I like
Koala March versus Hello Panda. Koala March wins. The next thing we're gonna try is Dar's white chocolate. I mean, it might just taste like white chocolate.
I just noticed my necklace right there. Ooh, that looked like a Hershey.
I mean, it smells like white chocolate.
Yeah, it smells real good. It doesn't like white
Oh,
chocolate.
they all come separate. They're not all like together. They're all separate. So, this is what they look like. Here. Just get one, child. Thank you. Just like red chocolate.
That's it. My Hershey's white chocolate.
But this one has a little bit.
What? A little bit what?
No. It's just white chocolate.
That's it.
It's a little
Pure
bit.
white chocolate. Ain't nothing else in there. White chocolate.
It's a little bit
and
more
sugar.
creamier though.
Tastes
To
like
me,
white
it's more
chocolate and sugar.
creamier.
Probably because it's thick.
And that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. And if you haven't yet, like and subscribe. Me and my brother's social media links will be in the description box below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!